Hi everyone, Letty here. Today I'm going to share with you a not too shabby shop. This is actually going to be a double crafty haul. Plus I'm going to show you some project shares of some items I made using the items I purchased. Welcome everyone. So I purchased some items from Not Too Shabby Shop. I'm going to list their website link and a discount code down in the description box below. They do have some Black Friday sales right now. In case you're interested, make sure you check it out. This is a double haul. So I purchased two separate times from the shop. I wanted to show some of the items because most of them are still available. So you get some freebies. And these actually were both free as well from the Candy Cane Lane. This is the new Doodlebug collection. Jamie does carry Doodlebug in her shop. So these are some freebies that I got for purchasing a specific amount of Doodlebug and then over $60 for an overall purchase. So this is a 6x6 paper pad. It's really pretty. I like the colors that Doodlebug uses for their Christmas collections. I think what I like best about them is that they coordinate year to year. So you could pull any of their Christmas collections and they pretty much coordinate to a T. So again, this is called Candy Cane Lane. I did pick up two of the 6x6 paper pads, and let me tell you, I've already gone through one of them, I think. So I did pick up both ephemera packs. This is called the odds and ends. So these are like the little actual images, ephemera images, 127 pieces in this one pack. Huge bang for your buck there. This is called the Chit Chat, which is just a bunch of words and phrases. You see there's a lot more blue in that one. So just a bunch of words and phrases that goes with the collection. There's also some stamps, real pretty. And then the mini icon stickers. This one comes with 3 sheets this time. So here's just a little sneak peek of what the 3 sheets look like. Really fun stickers. And then I did pick up the shape sprinkles. This was from the fall collection, but I really liked the colors and I thought that it actually went pretty well with this Christmas set. So I went ahead and picked that up too. Then I picked up some of the Darcy's new line. This one's called Christmas. So you can say Christmas instead of Christmas. You have two cute little images. I did use both of those with my projects today. I have Singing Loud. So you've got some little elves that are singing or caroling and some fun little phrases. And then we have Santa Cam. Really cute. So it's a Santa Cam and a elf cam. And then some real fun little phrases as well. You can see there. So I do use those as well today. And then I also picked up the Greeting Farm Happy Birthday Mouse. And so I really like the font and the size of those sentiments. The cupcakes are cute, very flexible because they can be used for pretty much anything. A cute little mouse, really cute. Again, happy birthday mouse. And then I picked up Pumpkin Spice Anya. And I'm one of the people that will purchase items even after the season is over. So I've already started my Christmas crafting, but I still picked up this pumpkin spice stamp. And you'll see here in a bit, I also picked up some other holidays, but I just think I like to add things to my stash. So here's haul number 2, another freebie. This is another set of freebies, enamel dots. And then Jamie does carry this dressing. So I got the new lumberjack plaid, really pretty red. And then I also pulled some of their recent holiday release, which was the Winter Wonders. I got the 6x6 paper pad. I had previously showed this in another video that I just released, but I wanted to just show you again because I believe they're still available. The ephemera pack, Winter Wonders, and then Snowman Soup. This is going to be so fun to play with. Such a cute little image, bunch of fun sayings. This is going to be so cute. And then I did pick up the November Paper Pad Club. Again, this is another one that I had showed in a previous video. This one's a bunch of dots and all different really fun winter colors. And then Winter Blues is the second paper pad. Again, I previously showed this, but I just wanted to show because I believe it is still available in case you're interested in this one. And you get 2 paper pads with that subscription. I also picked up the Turkey Day, and I know Thanksgiving was today. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. I just really wanted to use this for some fun cards for my nieces and nephew. I also picked up the Halloween, some of the items from the holiday sale that they have. Their Halloween items, which is Brew by Trinity Stamps. I picked up this cute stamp set and the coordinating dies. Jamie had a ton of holiday items for like 30% off. This one's Giant Trick or Treat. So again, I'm one of those types of people that will buy off season if it's cheaper. And so I am a frugal crafter, as they say. This one's called Spooky Halloween. This one, I really like those little sentiments. The little images are super cute too. So that was my haul number 2. I'm going to be showcasing some projects that I made up next. So again, I'll list that website link and a discount code in case you're interested in purchasing anything. So the first thing that I did was I used this Turkey Day to make some fun cards for my nieces, my nephew, and my baby cousins. So I thought these cards were so fun. I think they're going to enjoy them. I really like that stamp set, so I went ahead and picked it up. Look at this. They're going to be able to color the insides. I went ahead and stamped the images on the insides of the cards. You can see here, I did them all the same. I'll address them and then send them out. And I recorded this before today, so I'm just a little late in getting the video up, but yeah, so we'll get those to them. And then I also did stamp some images onto some envelopes so that way I could put the cards in. I left some room for addressing, but I did use several of the stamp sets. And this is one of those things where I went and I used every single stamp set or stamp on this set to make this project. Every single one, both of the sentiments and all of the images in this one project. So that was super fun, and I'll definitely use that next year. From the greeting farm, I used the Happy Birthday mouse, and then I also brought in the Gina Marie enamel dots that I got for free, and then I also brought in the Candy Cane Lane 6x6 from Doodlebug, and I used one sheet of paper to make this fun card. So happy birthday to you, the cute little mouse with the 3 little cupcakes. I used a glossy accents to kind of make it shine, added the enamel dots. I used one sheet of the paper, cut it down, and made this fun card. So that was my second thing. And then the third thing I did was I brought in some of the Darcy's stamps, the Christmas, and then the Santa Cam. I brought in 3 of those images out of the 4, and then a few sheets of the Candy Cane Lane, and I made some fun tags. So I just made a few tags using those images. I thought they turned out cute. Here's just some twine, and then I just added one image with one of the little sentiments from the cut apart sheet from the 6x6 paper pad. I'm using the 6x6 paper in the background, and you see here I added glossy accents to everything. Here's what it looks like. I have a link down below. It's just an affiliate link from Amazon in case you're interested. But I really like the look of the glossy accents on all of my images, so I am addicted to it. But I thought these turned out so super cute. Again, this was a Not Too Shabby Shop double craft haul. Here is their logo. I'll list their website link and a discount code down below in case you're interested. I hope everyone had a safe Thanksgiving. Thanks for visiting, everyone. Hope you subscribe, like this video, follow me on Instagram. Here are a couple videos I think you might enjoy, and happy crafting.